Hello folks, we're just making a quick run out to the mountains so Akila can get a little exercise. He's been locked up in the house for a couple of weeks without any hiking or camping or anything. So we're at Pinnacle Rock in the Linville Gorge, and it's a beautiful day. It's Christmas Eve and it's 65 degrees. But we bought a new camera and for our Christmas present to ourselves, and I thought I'd come bring it out and test it out and let you guys be the first to experience it. It's actually the exact same as my other camera, my previous camera, except it's 2 upgrades up. It's 70 power. It records in 4K, and it has a mic, remote mic. So that means hopefully the audio is a lot better and you can hear me better. So I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested in a really good camera. But I just wanted to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. It's the end of the year for us. We don't have any more videos to come out. We'll have some more Aliner videos coming out. But to thank you for watching, I thought I'd put together a little montage of my year's videos, some of the best parts, and just some snippets. This won't last long, but giving you the cream of the crop, I hope. And if you remember all the videos, put it in the comments. How many have you seen? But most important, I want to wish every one of my viewers, my subscribers, my occasional visitors, great Merry Christmas and a fantastic next year. 2020 should be an interesting year in so many ways. It'll be my end of 5 years, and we'll do a 5-year flashback on some. I did a video 4 years ago, wondering where I'd be in 5, and so we'll check that out. But enjoy the scenery here. We'll spin the camera around a little bit, and then we'll run into our retake of what happened in the year. All right. Thanks, folks. Be good. Well, I don't know what you're doing for Christmas, but we're out in the woods climbing rocks. We're listening to a lot of John Denver. I don't know if you browse through YouTube, but there's a whole bunch of John Denver Christmases in YouTube. And we really enjoy listening to him sing. He was the motivation for me to learn to play the guitar and motivation for me to go into fish and wildlife and motivation for me to just be a nice guy, despite what other people think and whatever the people say. You got to ignore the idiots, ignore the bullies.